Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we have a good old Ulta haul. So it's not a whole lot of stuff, but we're going to go through some of the stuff I got at Ulta today and play with them and see what we think about them. So if that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, so first things first is I got these two candles from the Ulta Beauty brand. One of them is Toasted Fireside Soy Candle, and the other one is like autumn scented. I got that one burning now, but they smell so good. And I was gonna get them yesterday when I went to get my Urban Decay palette, but I decided not to because they were saying they were $20, but they were on sale for $9.99 or $9 and something today, and they're on sale through September the 5th or somewhere around there. So if you're looking for some good size candles for fall, I would definitely check them out because they smell so good. Autumn Air is what the other one's called. But I also got the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, and that's what it looks like. Super duper duper cute. I'm super excited to get into it and make some fall looks, so we're going to do that right now. I also got some other stuff, but we'll go through that here towards the end. I just only have a few more things that I got. I spent some of my money on my daughter, so I got her one of those little things that you put your hand sanitizer in, and some hand sanitizer and a lip gloss and just little stuff like that. She's 7, so she was super excited. I'm gonna put some Milani eye primer on. Thought we were gonna have rain again because it started sprinkling like as soon as I got to Ulta, and it rained kind of off and on the way home and rained while we were there, but it just more sprinkled here and there. So no rain today so far, at least while I'm filming. Oh, and I have a giveaway going on, so if you want to know the rules and how to enter the giveaway, then wait towards the end. I'll let you know all the details. Thinking about doing like an orange purpley look, but I was thinking that was a little too Halloween, and we're not there yet. So I think I'm going to match my outfit and go to the green side of things. I'm going to take Sweetie Pie right here. This kind of olivey brown shade. And I'm going to put that in my crease using my BK Beauty 202, the fluffy tapered brush. Okay, I'm taking the BK Beauty 206 and Cocoa Drizzle up here, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of my lid. Oh, I wanted to let y'all know too, I don't have either of the spicy palettes. A lot of people were saying that this looked a lot like the spicy palettes, but I don't have either one of those. But if you want to check out a couple of videos that has some comparisons, Makeup Just for Fun, she did some comparisons, and then Aaliyah Janae also did some comparisons to those palettes, and spoiler alert, they aren't exactly the same. There's a few shades that are similar, but not the same. So you can just check that out for yourself if you want to see whether or not they're similar enough for you to want to pick it up. I'm taking Falling For You right here, this green shade. And I'm taking it on my BK Beauty 203 brush, just the flat shader brush. Taking a cotton round, some micellar water, just cleaning everything up real quick. I'm going to be using this NYX Pore Filler Primer. I got a little sample of it with my order, so I'm going to try this out. Feels kind of like a normal pore filling primer, but a little drier. But I think it filled my pores in pretty good. I have to keep trying that to see how I like it. And I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Matte 24 Hour Undetectable Super Long Wear Foundation. I'm going to blend that out with my Sigma F47 multitasker brush. Taking the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Pearl. And I didn't know if I said this foundation's in vanilla. I don't know if it matters, but just in case you're close to my shade and are wondering. I've really been liking this foundation and the concealer. Taking my concealer brush and blending that out. Taking my number 7 Lift Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light to set my under eyes. I'm taking the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette, and I'm going to take Peach Honey right here, and I'm going to use that to warm up my face. going under my chin, down my neck. I'm going to take Sugar Peach up here, this peachy shade, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks, get some color on them. I'm going to go over my nose so I can be sunburnt and sun-kissed for a little bit longer before fall really takes over. And I'm going to take the Peach Pearl and use that as my highlighter. It's a pretty blinding highlight. One over my brow, other brow, nose, Cupid's bow, chin. Alright, I'm going to take Cocoa Drizzle and I'm going to put that underneath my lash line, on my lower lash line. Alright, so the next thing that I picked up was these NYX Epic Wear liner sticks. And I got mainly pinks and purples, but I did get this shade that's kind of like a taupe color. It's gilded taupe, so I figured I could use that on some of my neutral looks. But I'm going to use the All Time Olive. And I'm going to see about putting that on my waterline. I'm going to take the NYX On The Rise Volume Lipscara. I'm going to put that on my lashes. This one's mine, but I got one of these free too with my purchase. It's the Butter Gloss and Creme Brulee. I'm going to put that on my lips. And I also got a Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I'm going to spray that on my face. And there was one other thing that I got free, and then one other thing I bought. I got the NYX HD Finishing Powder, which I have one of those, so I'll probably just put this in a giveaway with the little lip gloss. And then I also bought, it's kind of boring, but I bought the NARS pencil sharpener. It was a lot cheaper than I thought it would be. It was only $6 for pencil sharpener, which I think a NYX one was like the same price, but it's got the 2 holes for the different sizes. But yeah, I bought one not too long ago and I lost it, so I got another one. It wasn't a NARS one, it was like an Essence one or something like that, but I'm thinking it was close to the same price as the NARS one, so I might as well get the NARS one. Alright, well this is the final look using everything I got in my Ulta haul, especially the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. I'm super excited about this palette. I really want to try the orange purple. I might do that in my next video, or a video coming up. I might do like a Halloween-y type look, even though Halloween's a while away. Well, it's only about a month away, but do a little Halloween-y look. But I really enjoyed everything that I tried. Some of the things I'm going to have to still play with a little bit, like the setting spray and the primer. I'm going to have to try a little bit more. But I really enjoyed the eyeliner. Looks really great in the waterline. I think it showed up really. Took me a little bit to get it to go in the waterline. I think it just took a little bit for it to really get worked in from being new. It looks really pretty in the waterline. The palette, I really love the palette. I'm excited to try it some more. Like I said, I want to try some more fall looks and see what else I can come up with other than the Halloween-y look that I want to do. But I'm super excited about that. Also, I wanted to talk about the giveaway I got going on. It's the giveaway for hitting 25 subscribers. I'm actually at 27 the last time I checked. But we hit 25 subscribers, super exciting, and I'm having a giveaway. I have 3 palettes that whoever wins can choose from. I have the ColourPop Whatever palette, the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, or the Juvia's Place Nubian palette. So I actually have a couple more of the Nubian palettes coming for more giveaways, but these are the 3 palettes that I have right now for the giveaway. If you want to enter in the giveaway, hit the like button. Also, make sure you're subscribed. And leave a comment down below, either one of the palettes that you're excited about possibly winning, which one you're interested in, or just say hi, whatever, just leave a comment down below. Yeah, that's it. If you want to enter in the giveaway, just do those 3 things. I'll put it in the description box just in case you need a double check. But those are just those 3 things. I think that's going to be all for me today. I try to get off here before it starts thundering. It's already been thundering, but before it gets too loud and y'all can't hear me. If you like the video, hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.